am today going to be doing a lesson on poetry. We start the lesson with the breathing exercise because you have to settle yourself because you've had all these other stimuli coming in, and then we go into the music. I'm dealing with a discipline in the realm of artistry. You've shifted. Your whole being has moved. Keep your eyes closed. After I've gone through the whole sensory development through the music, we take them into a place where they then are able to synthesize or pull out certain emotions, and we then have to make it concrete. I want to know, what does poetry mean to us in life? That's what I also want to get at. Okay, yes. What does it make you feel?
Passion.
Passion. Keisha.
Love.
Love. Passion.
Gravity.
Gravity. Wow, you are hot on the trail here today of where we're going. Yes. Air. Give me some more emotions. Give me emotions here.
Joyful.
Joyful. I asked them to give me those emotive words so that they could actually get a hook on producing some form of emotion for them to go through the poetry with. It's so important for them to verbalize their emotions. So by them doing that, they are actually creating their own art. If they also don't do that, they won't be able to put it down later onto paper in some form or another. It's very important for the student to be validated in what he has created. Tell me, let it out, Slanshla. How did you experience this hearing sensation that we've gone on this journey? Yes.
The first time I was happy, I was playing with my violin in the first time. And then in the second part, the devil came and then took me away from my family, and then there was this darkish place and I didn't know where to go.
Yes, Mandy.
For the first part, I thought I was walking through a flower garden. The first time, I was like a ninja, so I was training through my master. I felt happiness, lying down in my bed, kind of up. And then all of a sudden in the second part, I felt like I was cold in the icy water. Somebody dunked me in there.
We then are going to hand out the templates, which I've prepared for them with the basics on it, just to guide them into the use of metaphors and similes. By using constructive poetic forms and certain types of tools, and these tools are called similes and metaphors. If we say like, then we are actually using a simile. We're comparing one thing with another, but we're using like or as. Metaphors, just comparing one thing with another without using like or as. And through that, they learn colorful language. They learn to express themselves with through these different techniques. At the close of the lesson, what we do is we now bring into a concrete form these language constructs, and we were trying to identify metaphors and similes and what purpose they play in colorful language. Now, can you find me a metaphor? Okay? A metaphor. So now you're comparing one thing with another, but you're just naming it. There's no like or as.
They landed like a meteor.
So now they're saying they landed like a meteor. So it's comparing their landing, brush, to a meteor. And they're using like or as. You see, that is a simile. But if I'm not going to use a simile, and I'm just saying their landings are meteoric, okay, that would be a metaphor. In a simile, we use like or as. Everybody together. In a simile, we use like or as. There were 3 levels here. One was to bring out the ability to think creatively, to use the imagination, and then to bring it into a kinesthetic, concrete form where you could actually put it down on paper and then create something out of yourself. She looks as if, now listen, we are now going into an action here. She looks as if
She disguised herself as a human.
all right, write it down. That was the beginning stages of learning to orally express yourself in an intelligent and creative way.